Hey everyone, thanks for the support on the channel. We finally hit 50 subscribers. So everyone with the Subi love, appreciate the love. For everyone who actually knows of us, knows that I've had this car for a really long time. And I've actually had it since October 6th of 2013. For everyone who's been following on Instagram, for my personal Instagram, I've literally had this car for as long as I've had Instagram. And this is the longest that I've ever owned a car. So here's the full process on everything that's been done to this poor thing since 2013. Hope you like it.
Into neutral. Turn her over. Leave her idle for a second.